So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you run this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in internet options. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on advanced. And now once we're here, you want to click on restore advanced settings. And then click on apply. Next, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom. Make sure that you have use TLS all ticked. You want to tick every single use TLS that you have. Tick all of this and then click on apply and then click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and this should now fix your problem.